For more than a century, Prysmian has been innovating in the USA. Our wires lit the Statue of Liberty in 1886, and in 1935, our cables sent electricity from the Hoover Dam to Los Angeles. From NASA launches to 9/11 first responders, Prysmian delivers energy and information to empower human achievement. And with 9,000 employees and 39 facilities, Prysmian is proud to manufacture in the United States of America. From producing glass for optical fiber in North Carolina to transforming copper cathode into building wire in Texas. Our products aren't just made in the US, they're born here. Prysmian's industry-leading electrical cables and vertical integration deliver fast turnaround times with no international fees or shipping delays. We partner with grid operators and utilities to power America. Our digital solutions bring tomorrow's infrastructure to life today. Advanced Prysmian solutions also enable critical infrastructure, connect our military, and power elevators and escalators too. No other manufacturer can match Prysmian's offering across industries with unparalleled customer service and breakthrough innovations. We strive to be not just a manufacturer, but a true partner for our customers. Prysmian has been making history in the United States for nearly 150 years. And we're investing in the future, creating reliable jobs for American workers. When you choose Prysmian, you're not just choosing quality, expertise, and innovation the world trusts. You're investing in America with us. Prysmian is proud to be made right here, because where it's made matters.